BBS Tech white sound reversing alarms, simply the safest reversing alarms with the least noise nuisance. The BBS Tech reversing alarm is a revolutionary improvement in vehicle safety, and safe reversing is the aim that's close to the heart of every driver and operator, and one that's synonymous with Brigade Electronics. With over 30 years' experience at the leading edge of reversing alarm technology, Brigade has introduced this unique broadband sound reversing alarm that is so much better than conventional narrowband systems. This unique BBS Tech back alarm makes the job of reversing a vehicle easier and safer. First, it eliminates complaints about intrusive, noisy alarms. How? Because in contrast to the usual bleeping sound, the BBS Tech back alarm makes a sound like this. By using broadband sound known as white sound, the BBS Tech back alarm is easier on the ear, yet equally as effective as a conventional alarm, even when 5 decibels quieter than an old-fashioned, high-pitched, pure tone alarm. And most importantly, because broadband sound dissipates at twice the rate of a pure tone sound, it does not cause noise nuisance to neighboring residents or other workers on site. The way we react to broadband sound is part of our survival system. Deep inside both human and animal brains is the superior colliculus, which alerts us when it hears certain noises. The noises it reacts to are not narrowband sounds with their tighter frequency range, but broadband sounds, which give away their direction and make our heads turn toward them. Quite literally, you only hear the BBS Tech back alarm if you need to. The BBS Tech back alarm is safer too, because unlike conventional alarms whose noise can be heard all around the location, broadband is localized. Sound is directed only into the hazard zone and not everywhere else, which increases the response to the alarm and diminishes the chance of it being ignored. In a busy or working or urban environment, anyone in the danger zone recognizes immediately that the sound is coming directly from the reversing vehicle. Even in areas where the background noise levels vary considerably, the new smart auto-adjusting BBS Tech alarms will automatically monitor and set the warning level to between 5 and 10 decibels above the ambient level to ensure optimum safety. There's no confusion, no nuisance, safety is assured. And broadband sound alarms are recommended by the Noise Abatement Society and approved jointly by the NAS and PEAK for use in their Silent Approach Nighttime Delivery Initiative. Such is their ability to reduce noise and improve safety, they are a requirement of the Greater London Authority to be fitted to all buses in the GLA area and are written into the construction code of practice for all site vehicles working on the 2012 Olympics site. They are also the only alarms approved for use in construction vehicles in all areas of New York City. So next time you specify a reversing alarm, make it a BBS Tech back alarm to cut noise complaints and improve safety. The BBS Tech back alarm. Someday, all reversing alarms will sound like this.